Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on?
That's good.
Now, I know that we've been gone for a while. I don't even know if we're posting this. But Sean, what happened to your hand? We ain't gonna go into details, but that happened.
Just know that I cooked it. It was great.
Oh, God. Okay, well, today we have Chik-Fil-A closer to us. And, why don't you tell them what we got here?
This is a lemonade. This is a spicy chicken sandwich meal with waffle fries. And I think he ate some on the way home.
I did.
So this review is, he can't say anything about the fries because he's already eaten.
Oh, don't worry, I have nothing good to say. They should have added salt, okay? Dude, but whenever he tries it, it tastes good. They're pretty good. Alright.
Try the lemonade.
Oh my God. That's good. Whenever I was drinking it, it had like stuff, like particles in it.
That's real lemons.
Wow. Okay, well, let's show them the chicken sandwich. Gotta get closer. So that's it. Alright, let's try it. It ain't dry. I'll tell you that. It ain't dry. Check that thing out. Oh, it's smoking. Now, we both got the spicy chicken sandwich, and I give it a 3 on spice.
What's your scale?
Out of 10.
No.
I mean, okay, at first it's like a 3, but then it goes up to like a 6. 6 and...
Okay.
I don't know.
There you go. That's to us, though. See, some people can't even eat the sandwich. They couldn't even eat it. Oh, my God. Okay. Get an umbrella and go walk in a field. And hopefully a ducks will come up to you or something.
What?
Butterflies. Better yet.
Okay.
It's very good. It's tasty. We will be buying it again.
I give the chicken sandwich a 9 out of 10. Now, if the spice level got higher as soon as you bought it, I'd give it a 10. Nah, not a 9, maybe an 8. Now the fries, they could add some more. So you know what? I'm gonna go give me some more salt. You go talk to them. All right, get some salt.
They had enough salt. He's out of his mind.
What you saying? Okay, I got me some sea salt. I'm sorry, man. This stuff feel like they just got it out of a freaking heat lamp or something. All right, let's try it now. Wall fries. I can't even taste it.
See? Allow me to get bloated from all the salt from this fry. You want some fry with your salt?
That tastes better. Dude,
You only don't have the container in it.
come on. You can't just have some fries that are not only crispy, but stale, and also with no salt. But other than that, everything else is good. I bet if I went there and got some more, it'd be fine. But there was multiple people in front of us, so I mean, I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Probably not, but
Well, that goes for this review. It's very good. They've never been late, never been messed up, never made a mistake. I have nothing bad to say about it.
it only took us about 3 to 5 minutes. We had to order and then had to wait. There was like 3 cars in front of us. It went out like that.
Sure did.
Well, that's our review. Be sure to like and subscribe. Don't know if we're posting this, but you'll see if it's uploaded. So, you have a great day and peace.